Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
For this procedure, it is not necessary to take the wheel off, although for video purposes, we chose to take it off to make it easier. You can turn the wheel to the right or to the left to gain access. You're going to want to pull this cover off. You can grab underneath here, pull it out, reach in here. You can feel the bulb. Pull straight out. Pull the bulb off. Put the new one on. You want to line it up. And you can push it, line it into the hole, and you just push it straight on. Now we're going to reinstall this cover that goes in here. You're just going to push it in. Lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.